What's up guys, it's Ray back here, and I think the hardest part of building any gaming PC is deciding what parts you want to use. So today I'm going to provide some recommendations to just get your next gaming PC off the ground. The first thing I'm going to recommend here is the NZXT H510 ATX PC gaming case. Part number CA-H510B-B1. Choosing a solid PC case is the foundation for any build, and the NZXT H510 is the perfect blend of form and function with a great cooling system, excellent cable management, and a beautiful modern design. The next part I recommend checking out is the EVGA 700 EQ bronze power supply, part number 110-BQ-0700-V1. The 700 EQ is 80 plus bronze certified with an incredibly quiet 120mm fan on top. This power supply also comes with a 5-year warranty, for some nice peace of mind. And lastly, the final thing I think you should check out is the Asus Republic of Gamers Strix Z490E ATX gaming motherboard. Featuring an Intel LGA 1200 socket for Intel 10th gen processors, a vast selection of ports on the back panel, and so much more, the Z490E is packed with the latest tech, making it an excellent choice for any build. So there you have it, 3 core components to get your next gaming PC off of the ground. All of these retail for about $500, but you can find them for even less over on roadcast.com. Be sure to click the banner down below to see just how much you could save. Happy building!